Small flowers with big potential. Each blossom on a soybean plant could develop into a full-size pod. But what happens if the plants lose flowers? This is called flower abortion, a phenomenon that can have a devastating effect on crop yield.
A soybean plant in the normal condition naturally exhibits like about maybe 25 to 35% of flower abortion. But if it is subjected to extreme environmental stresses, it can go up to like, let's say, 80% of flower abortion. And that's a lot of yield loss in the final stages of our soybean.
Herbert College of Agriculture graduate student Zoilo Perez and Avat Shakufa, UT crop physiology researcher, are counting thousands of flowers on soybean plants. A research project here at UT's Ag Research Center in Jackson. They are trying to discover the cause of flower abortion, which has affected farmers for centuries.
Technology that can help us to detect what is the main reason and how we can count the flowers can be extremely helpful to improving soybean production.
Introducing flower recognition software. Cameras on wheels fit between the rows and record soybean flowers. The footage will be run through a custom-designed AI program that counts flowers in a fraction of the time. These totals can then help researchers discover what conditions might be to blame.
Knowing how the extreme condition, anything from heat, high rainfall, limited rainfall, drought, can reduce that number of flowers on these soybean plants.
UT Ag researchers are also hoping to identify which plants possess the best genetics to withstand challenging conditions, and that can mean better soybean varieties in the future.
Better plant varieties could equal more pods, and more pods equal more profits.
The primary goal of this project is to increase our flower and pod retention by 25 to 30%, and by doing this, we can also increase our yield up to 10 to 15%.
This research will continue through soybean harvest this fall and beyond. Experts believe that with the right information about plant loss, they can identify and perhaps stop a problem that impacts one of Tennessee's top row crops. This is Tate Cronin reporting.